Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel as well as my Facebook profile. This video or project is for all the students of class 5 of Icse syllabus. The subject is science and the name of the chapter is human body, the skeletal system. Now come to the exercise. Section 2. Number F. Long answer questions. Question number 1. Write about the major bones present in our body. Write about the major bones present in our body. Answer. There are 206 bones in an adult human skeleton. The skeleton consists of skull, backbone, rib cage, limbs, jawbone and girdle bones. First, the skull. The skull is a hollow, round structure present in the head. Structure. It is made up of 22 bones, of which 8 bones form the part of the skull that protects the brain and remaining 14 bones form our face. Number B. Jawbone. The jawbone is the U-shaped bone of the lower jaw. It is the largest and strongest bone in the skull. It is the only bone in the skull that can move. Number C. That is backbone. The backbone is a long and flexible bony structure. It is also known as the vertebral column or spine. It is made up of 33 small ring-like bones. Number D. Rib cage. The rib cage is a bony structure present in the chest region. Structure. It is made up of 12 pair of thin curved bones called ribs. Now come to the next page. That is number E. Limbs. Human beings have 4 limbs. A pair of upper limbs, that is arms, and a pair of lower limbs, that is legs. Number F. Girdles. A girdle is a bony ring-like structure. There are 2 girdles present in our body, the shoulder girdle and the hip girdle. This was the first question. It was long answer type. Now come to the next question, that is F2. What are the major functions of bones in the human body? Answer. Functions of bone in the human body. Number A. Shape and support. It gives shape and support to the body. Number B. Protection. It protects the delicate internal organs such as brain, spinal cord, heart and lungs. Number C. Movement. Number C. Movement. It allows the movement of various parts of the body. Number D. Production and storage. Bone marrow present inside the bones produces red blood cells. Now come to the next question, F3. Mention the different types of movable joint present in our body. Answer. Types of movable joints present in our body. Number A. Ball and socket joint. Number B. Hinge joint. Number C. Pivot joint. Number D. Gliding joint. Now come to the question 4, that is F4. What is the importance of joints and muscles? Answer. Importance of joints. Number 1. The bones present in the human body are rigid and cannot bend. The joints make our body flexible by allowing movements in different directions. Number 2. There are many different types of joints. Each of these types allows movement in a certain manner. Now come to the next part, that is importance of muscles. Muscles provide support to the bones. Number 2, they assist the skeleton in moving the limbs and other part of the body. Number 3, muscles inside the internal organs help them in carrying out important functions. Now come to the next question, that is F5. Describe the food items that make bones and muscles strong. Answer. The essential food items are: number 1, eat food items that are rich in calcium. It helps in the formation of bones and teeth. Some examples of calcium rich foods are: number A, milk; B, curd; C, cheese; D, almond. Point 2, eat food items that are rich in proteins. Protein help in growth and repair of body cells. They also help in building muscles. Some protein rich foods are fish, meats, beans and pulses. Now come to the next page. Now comes the question number 6, F6. What is the importance of good posture and exercise? Answer. To help our body to function properly, we must make sure that it gets enough rest. Posture is the way in which we keep our body while standing or moving or sitting. It is important to keep our backs straight while sitting or standing. It is incorrect to sit or stand with our back bent. A bent back puts burden on the backbone and joints. This may lead to joint and muscle pain later. We have to do exercise regularly. Some physical activities that are good for bones and joints include walking, running and playing sports such as football, basketball and tennis. Some simple yoga exercises that involve balance and stretching are also good for the bones, joints and muscles. Now comes the section 2. E. Short answer questions. Number 1. Name the minerals present in our bones. Answer. Calcium and phosphorus. Number 2. Define skeleton, also mention its role. Skeleton. The skeletal system consists of bones present in our body. These bones form a rigid framework that supports the body and also gives it a definite shape. It also performs some other important functions. This rigid framework of bones is called a skeleton. Role. It helps us to move around, bend and protects the delicate internal organs of our body. E3. Now comes the question 3. What is the function of rib cage? Answer. The rib cage protects the delicate organs such as heart and lungs. E4. What is a vertebra? Where is it present? Answer. Our backbone is made up of 33 small ring-like bones. The individual small bones are called vertebra. Location: backbone. Now comes question number 5. What do you understand by cartilage? Also write its function. This is a very important question. Answer. Cartilage is a strong, elastic, yellowish or white colored tissue present around the joints. Cartilage can bend. Function. The cartilage protects the bones from getting damaged as a result of the constant movement that take place at the joint. Now come to the next page. Question number 6. Differentiate between voluntary and involuntary muscles. Answer. Voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles. Number A. Voluntary muscles are those muscles whose movements can be controlled by us. Involuntary muscles work on their own and their movements cannot be controlled by us. Number B. Example. Muscles present in arms, legs and hands. And number B, for involuntary muscle, example cardiac muscle, which is a kind of unstriated muscles. Question number 7, E7. Write any 2 points related to the care of bones and joints. Answer 1. Some physical activities that are good for bones and joints include walking, running and playing sports such as football, basketball and tennis. Some simple yoga exercises that involves balance and stretching are also good for the bones, joints and muscles. Now comes question number 8. What do young children need a more protein? Why do young children need a more protein rich diet than the adult? Answer. Young children need a greater protein rich diet than adults to help in their growth and development. Now come to the question number 9. Why is good posture important for us? Answer. Posture is the way in which we keep our body while standing and sitting. It is important to keep our back straight while sitting or standing. That is why a good posture is important for us. Now come to the section 1. Question D. Name the following. An example of food rich in vitamin D. Answer. Egg yolks. Number 2. The location where voluntary muscle is present. Answer. Hand and neck. Question 3. The location where the gliding joint is present. Answer. Bones of the wrist and ankle. Question 4. The longest bone in the body. Answer. Femur. Question 5. The bone in upper arm. Answer. Humerus. Question 6. An example of calcium rich food. Answer. Milk. Question A. Choose the correct option. This is MCQ. The number of bones in an adult human skeleton is. Answer. 206. The bones of the wrists and ankle are. Answer. Option B, that is short. Come to the next page. Question 3. Heart and lungs are protected by. Answer. Rib cage. Option A. Number 4. Jawbone is. Answer. Option A. U-shaped. Number 5. Voluntary muscles are present in. Voluntary muscle. Option number C. Legs. Now come to the question B, that is choose the correct option to fill in the blank. Number A. Number 1. All the bones present in our body forms our skeletal system. Number 2. The bones of the limbs are long. Number 3. The skull protects the brain. Number 4. The delicate spinal cord is protected by backbone. Number 5. The upper jaw and the lower jaw have teeth. Number 6. Bones are held together by ligament. Now come to the question C, that is write T for true and F for false. Correct the false statement. Number 1. The bone marrow present inside the bone produces the WBC. It is true. Number 2. Hinge joint is found in the knees. It is true. The humerus bone is present in the lower limb. It is false. Actually, the correct statement would be the humerus bone is present in the upper limb. The humerus bone is present in the upper limb. This is the correct statement. Now come to number 4. The backbone has 44 small ribs. It is incorrect. The backbone has 33 small bones. 33 small bones. Question number 5. The cardiac muscles are found in the wall of the heart. It is true. Question number 6. This is the last question of this exercise. A back bend puts burden on the backbone and joints. It is true.